Stem cell animation. There is a man that was diagnosed of Parkinson on January 2014. His name is Michael. He knew this disease has no known cure, but he knew it could be treated. So he went to a doctor that was specialized on stem cell research. His name is Todd. He's an elephant.
Hi doctor, my name is Michael. 1 month ago I was diagnosed with Parkinson, and I know stem cells can help me. Please, help me!
Dear Michael, yes, you're right, stem cells will help you with your Parkinson. But first I have to explain to you all about the stem cells, so you have an idea what I'm going to do with you. I'm going to first tell you about what are stem cells. Do you know?
I only know that they help with my Parkinson.
Well, stem cells are cells that have the ability to divide infinitely and to develop into specialized units. They can convert into anything. There are 3 types of stem cells. The first one is somatic stem cells. This one are also called adult stem cells. They exist all around the body, and they're important for growth, are healing, and they're cells that replace the cells that get lost.
So these stem cells are the ones that repair our skin when we get scratched?
Yes, the second one are the embryonic stem cells. This cell comes from an embryo. This cell are isolated from an embryo and placed into a dish. These stem cells help in many diseases, helping the immune system.
Wait a minute, when these stem cells are taken away from our embryo, does the embryo die?
Unfortunately, it does kill, and for many people this is wrong. But these stem cells have saved many lives. And the third stem cells are induced pluripotent stem cells. These cells are the ones that are created in a lab. They are created artificially by reprogramming the patient's own cell. Mr. Michael, this disease is very difficult to be treated. You know why?
No, I don't.
Parkinson is a disease that doesn't let enough dopamine to be produced, and the dopamine allows messages to be sent to the brain to control body movement. There's something else you have to tell me. Which stem cells do you prefer to be treated? The embryonic ones or the induced pluripotent stem cell?
I actually don't like the idea of killing an embryo, but the tool is very effective, so I would like to start my experimental treatment with the embryonic stem cells.
As you wish, Mr. Michael. Don't worry about the idea of killing an embryo, because some of the researches we have done with stem cells, there have been always ethical issues.
Really?
Yes, for example, the therapeutic cloning.
What's therapeutic cloning?
Therapeutic cloning is a method for creating patient-specific embryonic stem cells, and these have a lot of ethical issues, because it's creating a clone of a human being, and trying the cloned embryo for harvesting. This part is that many people think is unethical. Many people say that it's a killing life, even though it's still an embryo.
Dr. Todd, I believe that this is helping in science progress. Thank you for everything. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Created using Powtoon.